It's a very different recipe than probably most.
Then I'm not eating it. I'm just going to look at it then if you're telling me it's that different.
Well, and it's so simple to do, but it would be fun to do for a party because it's so different.
Right.
Easy, but when we can say this, but when you put these in your mouth, you don't eat that whole pod. You put it in your mouth, pull it out, and the seeds will stay in your mouth.
Oh, okay.
So.
With the flavoring that's on the.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you want to do the cheese first?
Okay, perfect.
Okay. I just can't with how cold it is. Are you cold in your Charlene?
I'm not right now, but I'm on a bus, or I'm hurrying,
that's
so, and I wore my heavy sweater.
Of course my mic is on. I'm just kidding, it wasn't, but it is now.
Okay, while he's doing that, can you show me my part?
Sorry.
Okay, got it.
In 3, 2, join us Monday when Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission will be here.
Sorry. I was looking this way.
It's
Sorry.
okay. In 3, 2, join us Monday when Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission will be here.
She'll be making a winning snack recipe and another recipe perfect for Santa. Doug?
I'm going to turn that down.
Whoa, what? Back in the truck up there.
Watching it fall. Oh.
My goodness.
All right, can you see that, Rena? Is that on low now? Or what? I don't have it on high, do I? Is it off?
It is, hold on, let me see. It's on low.
Okay, because it's plenty hot right now, so we don't want it. Yeah.
At least I think so, because, yeah, that would be off. Low. Yep, okay, low.
Okay.
Okay, and it's poke.
Okay.
Poke. Okay.
Hey, let's eat some poke.
All right.
So which one of you want to say who won?
I'll say it.
Okay.
Yeah. Christy Hard. Okay. All right. Okay, sorry. I don't know. 3, 2. Welcome back into 13 News This Morning. We're joined today with Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission. And so this holiday season, instead of leaving cookies for Santa, we're going to try something a little bit different. We're going to leave him some soybean poke. Now, this is a little appetizer that's perfect for get-togethers, parties, anything you might be having this holiday season. So this is a first place recipe in the snack category. It's by Christy Hard, and this is for the Kansas State Fair Heart Healthy Recipe Contest. So let's get started. What do we have?
Well, in here, I've already put our vegetable oil, which we know is a soybean product.
Yep.
And a little bit of sesame oil. So get that flavor in there. You are going to, or let me add this. I'll add the garlic. Oh, good. Little bit of sizzle there.
Yeah.
Yes. And we just want to saute that just a little bit.
Okay.
There we go. And then we have, I'll tell how we did this, Raina. That is a pound of whole edamame. And when you go to the grocery store, we find it in the frozen food section here in our area, and you'll get the whole pod. Most of the time, I'm telling you to look for the shelled ones,
right,
which has the little beans already out. But this one, for kind of a fun appetizer, uses the whole pod, and we're going to put that in there.
Okay.
All of those there. And we're going to just saute them with, you've got some crushed red pepper.
Okay.
And you can add as much as you want to make this spicy.
Well, I'm going to need some more.
You're going to need some more
Yeah.
to make it spicy. Okay, I'll give you some more.
Okay.
And then you have 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. So we'll put that there. Great. And all this takes is just about, I don't know, 3 minutes.
Oh, really?
I
Oh,
like
that's nice.
using the whole pods from the freezer case because you can put those in the microwave now and cook them for about 5 minutes and then open the package and it's ready.
Oh, okay.
Now she said the lady that won the recipe suggested putting them in boiling water and cooking them and then you would drain it.
Oh.
But boy, it's a lot simpler to just put that package in the microwave
Yes,
and it's
it
done.
is.
You better believe
So
it.
these were already cooked. We put them in there. We're just going to saute them to get that flavor on it, and it's done. So here I've put it in a serving bowl. Right before you serve it, then
Oh, right before. Okay.
yep, just sprinkle on a little of the crushed that is table salt there.
Oh, yeah.
How about that to give it? And we were going to say, if you're not familiar with this,
Can be
it's high
tricky.
in protein and fiber, but we don't eat the outside of the pod. We put the pod in our mouth
Okay.
and then pull it out between your teeth, and the little beans will stay in your mouth.
Oh,
you
that's
get
good.
all the flavor of it.
Oh, man, I dropped one.
Well, then have another one.
Thank you.
And then you get all the flavor, but then you're not eating the pod. How about
Yeah.
that?
Does it taste good?
It does.
Yeah.
And so the flavor comes right out as you're pulling it out and comes out with it.
And Charlene, where can we get more of these recipes?
Go to kansassoybeans.org or call our 800 number 877-KS-SOYBEAN and we'll mail you all the recipes for December.
Thank you so much. And we'll be right back after this.